Guys, have you ever tried this DIY fruit bear? It's so interesting. Instead of buying a lot of color, today I'm going to make my own colors. This time we are going to try smaller bear as keychain. Now I'm going to mix my own colors. You can pour over from his head, but also from the body. It takes a few hours to dry out. While waiting, I come up with another idea. How about we use the wax with colors? You can tell me your favorite color in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel so that you get a notification when I update a new video. Bye!